So guys, this is going to be our movement for the day on our odd US dollar. So first thing first, those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make your comments also, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that you will not miss out on any single update we'll be dropping for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram. Also, subscribe to the Telegram channel. You'll find the link in the comment section. Now, guys, pay attention to this movement on our odd US dollar, right? Starting with the trend, if you take a look at the overall trend, you can see that odd USD is in an uptrend move. This is our overall movement. The overall movement on odd USD is an uptrend move. We are moving trend to the upside. This is the impulsive move that our market did give us, right? Then we had this corrective phase. Market then did give us this impulsive move. This is our corrective phase, right? Market then did give us this impulsive move, right? And now this is the corrective phase. Now with this corrective phase played out, right, which does play out finish, we are now on the impulsive move. So basically, we would be expecting odd USD to continue to push up till it is able to completely take out this high. That is what we'll be expecting on our odd USD. We will be expecting that bullish move to push to play out till it is able to completely take out this high, right? Thereby giving us a new higher high. But you need to be very careful before you go in for the buy. Right now, go to your 4-hour time frame. This is our support level. Market has been rejecting. This has been a major support zone for us, right? Now, markets literally pushed up, right? And this is a little bit of a pullback. So with such a movement, if the pullback is indeed over, expect one more movement to the upside. So this is to tell you that the bullish move for the day is what we should be expecting on our odd USD. If there will be any changes to this prediction I will just did, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram so you don't miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.